Hello, good evening, professors. My name is Prince Ekong, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating how I use Active Directory to manage users, organizational units, and NTFS permission. Okay, this is my virtual machine, and at this point, I created several organizational units, including employee, HR, IT, management, research, stakeholders, accounting, and auditors to organize users locally within the domain. So here I open my server manager and I go to tools. To show you my organizational units which I created, I'll now come down to active domain user and computers. Here I will show um, how I created my organizational unit. So this is my domain ensign.corp, and here these are the organizational units I've created, which is the auditor, employee, HR, IT, management, research, stakeholder. So I created multiple user accounts such as Fredo, Sam, Messi, Gandalf, Aragon, and many others. So this is where I demonstrate how I I move the users to the organizational unit. Here in accounting, I have two users which are Gollum and Pippin. Auditor, I have two users too, Owen and Bilbo. In HR, I also have users here which I will demonstrate that there's a one user here, Frodo, IT, one user, Jimili. Management, I have three users, Borome, Join, Parame. In research too, I think I have two users, Mary and Sam. Stakeholder, I have three users. So in the users I created, I merged them to organizational units so that it can be seen properly. I created main folder called Middle Earth and added subfolders corresponding to each department such as HR, IT, and then at this point I'll need to go to my file explorer where I created those folders, the folder and subfolder. Here in the file explorer, I'll move to my C drive where I have the folder I created mid-earth, and inside this folder I have other subfolders which is accounting, auditors, employee, HR, IC, management, research, stakeholder. So in each I configured NTFS permission for each folder, and I gave full control to some that need full control and modify permission to some that have modified permission. For example, this accounting, I'll come to property, then go to security. Here I will show that I have two users here connected to this account, which is Pippin and Gollum. So both of them have full control in this folder. They have full control. So I will need to go to auditor. In auditor, I'll right click, do same, go to properties, security, and